Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some elegant everyday wear CNC bangle design collection, a perfect blend of style and comfort. So let's start with this mesmerizing collection of CNC bangle design tailored for your daily wear needs. These exquisite bangles strike the perfect balance between style and comfort, making them an ideal choice to elevate your everyday look. In this video, we present a hand-picked assortment of CNC bangle designs that are not only visually stunning but also designed to seamlessly complement your daily attire. Our expert artisans have meticulously crafted each piece to ensure a flawless finish, ensuring that you feel confident and fashionable from morning till night. So, explore a range of modern and traditional designs that cater to diverse tastes and preferences, from sleek and minimalistic patterns to intricately detailed motifs. There is something for everyone in this collection. These bangles are thoughtfully designed to add a touch of sophistication to your casual outfits, making you stand out effortlessly. We understand the importance of convenience in your daily routine, and that's why our CNC bangle designs are crafted using lightweight and durable metals. So say goodbye to heavy accessory that weigh you down. Our bangles are designed for all-day comfort without compromising on style. So whether you are heading to a work, running errands, or spending quality time with your loved ones, these CNC bangles are perfect companions. Their timeless appeal ensures that you can effortlessly transition from day to night, maintaining your elegance throughout. So don't miss out this opportunity to enhance your everyday fashion with our exceptional CNC bangle designs. Hit the like button if you're excited about these stylish yet comfortable bangles, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more curated collection and fashion inspirations. Elevate your daily wear game with our CNC bangle designs where style meets comfort. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take a very good care of yourself. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.